Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y100 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can remove camera watermark in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. First of all, go to uh, go to camera and open any picture here or capture any picture. I capture this picture and open it and see in the bottom left side watermark is printed. If you want to remove this watermark, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the settings of the camera here and go to watermark and turn off customize and also detain time. Okay, just turn it off. Okay, turn off. Okay, now if you are capturing hereafter, there will be no watermark for your photo. See here, there is no watermark printed. So in this way you can easily turn off or remove camera watermark in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.